I'm going to show you, in case you've missed it, I'm going to show you how quickly we set up our instruments for the day. So normally, things can move. I'm going to take my instrument and I'm going to move it. And I just came in, so I'm going to start my system today and I'm going to get it to run. So here it is resetting itself. And what we're seeing right now is the system relearning the position of all the nests, just in case they moved overnight, and they do move sometimes. Not only that, they could move, but also you could easily replace an instrument. So as I said, I've moved this instrument, but I could have replaced it with another instrument so I can save space and reuse the same workspace for different workflows. Here we go. Right now, what you're seeing is the robot reteaching itself. As you can see, it was expecting the instrument to be at a different angle. So now what is it doing is it's looking, and there we go. If it flashes, it means it found that instrument. There we go. So it learned the location of that instrument. Now it's trying to relearn the plate lock position. Here we go. It's getting closer. It moved since last night. And there we go. It found it. So now if this is good, if it works as expected, I'm going to watch it and see if it does all the plate movements as expected. So here we go. First instrument. Perfect. That's good. Oh, there we go. There we go. And there you go. So this is how we use auto teach with LabDonkey and the Brooks Precise with the Vision Gripper. Reteach our instrument locations. Thank you for watching.